Spocket versus Aliexpress, which is better for dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll compare these to the most popular dropshipping platforms available today. So basically, they offer a wide range of products from suppliers all over the world, but there are also some key differences between two of them. In today's video, we'll compare them according to their features, prices, pros and cons, and also I'll give you a recommendation on which platform is the best for different types of dropshippers. So let's start from the features. Of course, they have like common features such as they both offer a wide range of products from suppliers around the world. Both platforms allow you to easily import products into your store, and also both of them offer order tracking and fulfillment services. But what's more important is that we need to know like unique features, and Spocket offers a curated selection of products from pre-vetted suppliers, which is really good. They have a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. They offer fast shipping times. Actually, it's like 1 week to 10 business days. And if we are going to talk about Aliexpress, we can say that Aliexpress offers a wide range of products, even more than Spocket. They have a lower minimum order quantity than Spocket, and they offer a variety of shipping options, including like free shipping also. If we'll talk about the prices, we can see that Spocket, we can easily use it with the free trial. You can find the link in the description to get the free trial. And also the paid plan starts from like $25 per month or something like this. And on Aliexpress, it's like really good. They have like a free plan with no limits. And also they have like paid plans start from $30 per month. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. For Spocket, it's definitely pros, that curated selection of products from pre-vetted suppliers, easy to use interface, fast shipping times, and cons are higher prices than Aliexpress, smaller selection of products than Aliexpress, and higher minimum order quantity than Aliexpress. But Aliexpress also has like pros: wider range of products than Spocket, lower minimum order quantity than Spocket, variety of shipping options including free shipping, which is really good. And their cons is of course not all suppliers are reliable, longer shipping times than Spocket, more difficult to navigate than Spocket. And what can we say in conclusion? We can say that like which platform is right for you. If you're looking for a curated selection of products from pre-vetted suppliers, fast shipping times and user-friendly interface, then Spocket is a good option for you. Definitely I use Spocket mostly than Aliexpress. However, if you are looking for a wider range of products, lower prices and a lower minimum order quantity, then Aliexpress is a good option. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your needs and preferences and also your budget. So if you want to get a free trial on Spocket and get best conditions to join, I strongly recommend to use my link in the description, so you'll support my channel. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.